Hey guys, so today I'll just be practicing since I haven't drawn in a while. I'm using charcoal pencils on Manila A3 paper. And of course, the charcoal pencil I'm using is Marie's. There are so many different ways of building skin tones. I find using a makeup brush to build skin tones very easy and efficient. Just take your time and trust the process. I didn't really want to work on a bigger piece of paper like A2 or A1 because I haven't worked on a drawing in a while, so an A3 size seemed appropriate. I just wanted to practice and go back to the basics, building skin tones and working on the details. So if you're like me and haven't practiced in a long time, I hope this video will rekindle your passion. Finally done. I hope this video was helpful and inspiring. I have more in store for you guys. Subscribe, like, share. See you in the next one.